and welcome back to Face on Makeup. I'm all on my own today. Well, Sarah is behind the camera.
Hiya. Oh, that's a terrible
That
angle.
was a nostril shot.
Cut that out.
But she's just there holding a mirror for me. I'm going to be doing a summer holiday daytime look, sort of makeup, easy, on the go. You don't really want to be wearing loads because you're going to be sightseeing all day, you're going to the beach, but you want something so you look good in pictures if there are any. So let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is my concealer. I've spoken about this a few times, and I'm not going to place it everywhere because I don't like wearing loads of foundation when I'm on holiday. Because I have oily skin, it just rubs off. So I'm just going to go for a little bit under my eyes, get rid of any of those dark circles that we've accumulated at work, hopefully. And then I'm just going to point conceal. So I'm going to use a eyeliner brush, and I'm literally only going to go where I think I have a blemish. So I'm using this colour here, which is not far off my sort of foundation colour, and then I'm literally just dabbing where I can see any redness or any blemishes, and then I'm pushing it into my skin. I'm not moving it around, I'm literally just pushing it with a deluxe crease brush by Real Techniques, and then that I find is just enough to make my skin look a little bit better than it already is. It's not too much more. So yeah, just go work around your face, and then you don't feel like you've got loads of stuff on. And then I'm going to use that same colour and just go a bit around my nose to get rid of some redness. And that's probably all I'm going to do for my concealer. Next up is bronzer, which I've left on the table over there, Sarah.
Oh, hang on.
Thank you very much. It's very good. So on a holiday, you've already packed loads of stuff. So I always try and pack things that do, ooh, hello light, more than one thing. So you've got a contour, highlight and blush in one little palette, which is always handy. And it comes with a really great mirror that I just blinded you with. So I'm just going to put a bit of contour on. You might not need this at the end of your holiday when you're all brown and tanned up, but at the beginning it's nice just to give yourself a bit of colour. And then down your nose. We're pretending we have a tan when we don't. Nice and easy. I'm not going to put any blush on or any highlight. We're just using, like, we want this to be like 2 minutes out the door. We're going for breakfast and then we're going to go out for the day. Then I'm going to use this little cream eyeshadow from Mina, if I can get the lid off. And it's just a really nice sort of pinky champagne colour. And I'm popping that all over my eyelid. I find that this stays on really well all day, and it just gives you a nice little wash of colour. So you feel like you've got something on there without having to get all your brushes out and worry about blending. That's literally it. It gives you a tiny bit of coverage for the day. Then a bit of eyeliner. Why not? Coffee. Can't go wrong with my favourite MAC coffee. I sort of don't leave the house without this on. And then I'm just going in the lash line. I'm not worrying about it being too neat. Okay, so we've done eyeliner, just really natural brown. And then I'm going to go in for this. This is my new favourite mascara. I absolutely love it. I picked it up in Morrison's. I was like in a rush, really needed a mascara, didn't have one, and got this. It's waterproof and it stays Like it just keeps my curl, and I cannot stress how much that is amazing for a straight, like lashed girl. So it's the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara, and I just love it. The brush is so thin. I don't even know if you can sort of see that. There's hardly any bristles on it, but it is so good. And it stays all day. I think a waterproof on a holiday is, oh hello, it's a complete must. Sarah's laughing at me. Because you just don't know what you're going to get up to. You might go for breakfast and then go to the pool, or you might go out sightseeing all day and you don't want to get sweaty and have like mascara rub off under your eyes. So I think waterproof is just, I wear waterproof every day. I know lots of people that don't like it. I've got something in my eye now. It's gone. And then just a bit underneath, because I feel like it just opens my eye up a bit, and I've got very fair lashes. There we go. Mascara done. We'll give a bit of brows just to give us that shape, and so they don't go all skew-iff during the day. This is just a little brow mascara. Gives you a bit of colour, it just keeps you in place all day. That's nice and easy. This one is from Fill and Tame Brow Gel. Nourishing Tinted Brow Gel. It's nourishing. Very good. What else are we doing? And then just a bit of lip. So I'm going in for the Dusk Cloud Paint by Glossier. So going back to products that do more than one thing, this can be a lip, this can be a blush, can be an eyeshadow if you want it to be, if you just want sort of not really a colour but you like a matte sort of eye. So we'll go in for a bit of this. These come out quite mattifying, so they're good and they stay for quite a while. And then I'll go for just a tiny bit on my cheeks. This one is quite more of a bronzy peach colour, so it's nice for holidays. And then I'm just going to finish it off with a bit of powder, make sure I'm not really shiny, and then that's it. Super easy. So I'm just going to powder around my nose and across my T-zone and then my chin. That's literally my summer holiday sort of sightseeing, going around the town makeup. Nice and quick, nice and easy. You don't need loads of brushes and loads of products, but you're ready for the camera when it comes out. So let me know what products you like on holiday, what stays well. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!